today's activity, we will be drawing small cartoon characters. For this activity, you will need a sheet of paper, a quarter, and a writing utensil. I went ahead and traced my quarter 5 times. You'll only need to do this 1 time. I did 5 so I can show you the progression of each of the characters. We're going to first start with the snail. The first thing we'll do is we'll be adding the back of the snail's body. And just to the left of the circle, you'll kind of just do a small leaf-like shape outside of the circle. The front, you'll be doing his head. You'll kind of come around and then join in the bottom. So again, next we'll be doing back of the snail's body, the front of the snail's body, and now we're going to add the first eye. So it's just kind of a line with a circle coming out of it. So back, front, the first eye, and then our second eye. Okay. Back, front, eye, and we're actually going to go ahead and draw in our little eyes right here with this smiley face. Now our last one. And now we're going to add this shell, so just a simple swirl. And there you have it. Your first cartoon character is a snail. Our next character is going to be a crab. We'll start first with the eyes. So similar to the snail, we're going to do a line up and then a circle. A line up and a circle. Those will be our crab's eyes. So now we're going to do the pinchers. The pinchers kind of look like a piece of pizza with a slice missing. So we're going to do our half there. There. So we have our eyes. And go ahead and put your little eyes, your little dots inside your eyes there. Pinchers. And then on this one, we're going to start adding our legs. So we're going to do 4 legs on each side. So we have our pincher, and then our legs. So our final picture will be this. And there we have it, our crab. We will now be drawing a chicken. Remember, I'm just using a quarter to trace my circles. The first, we'll start with the beak and the base of the eye. The beak, the eye, and then a little bit of feather on top here. Beak, eye, top feather, our side feathers, and our tail feather. Again, beak, eye, top feathers, side feathers, back feathers, and now we are going to add the eggs underneath. So we're just gonna draw 3 eggs underneath our chicken. They don't have to be perfect. So we have our beak, our eye, top feather, side feather, tail feather, 3 eggs, and now they just want us to draw little pieces of hay coming out from the eggs. I'm kind of just drawing a series of X's and lines. And there you have it, our chicken sitting on her eggs. We will now be drawing a cow. So we're going to start first with the cow's eyes. Just 2 circles, the top. We're going to go ahead and fill our eyes in on the bottom portion, like so, and add our cow's ears. So we have our eyes, ears, and now we're going to add the horns. Eyes, ears, horns, and now the base of the mouth. Eyes, ears, horn, base of the mouth, and then the nose, nostrils. And there you have a cow. Our next animal will be a fish. So for our fish, we're going to start with the lips. On the left side of the circle, we'll do the lips, the start of the face, just kind of a half circle, and go ahead and add in our eye right away. So we have our lips, face, the eye, and now we're going to add our top fin. Lips, face, eye, top fin, side fin, and our final picture will be lips, face, eye, top fin, side fin, bottom fin, and finally our large tail fin. And there you have a fish. Our final cartoon will be a bear. To start with your bear, we're going to add our ears first. Forming 2 circles at the top, create your ears. Add our ears. And now a circle at the base of our inner circle to form the mouth. Ears. Mouth. And now we're adding in our eyes. ears, mouth, eyes, and then our nose. Now they don't color their nose in all the way. Our final picture will be ears, mouth, eyes, nose, and from the nose we're going to draw kind of a little J forwards and a J backwards. And then we're going to add in some details here at the ear. And there you have a bear.
Here we have our final drawings. Thanks for joining and hope you enjoyed today's lesson.